Take the truck with the bikes. Packy and Kareem, the van. See you on Little Portola, people. Initials only from here on out. F, come on, get in. All right, you got it down?
I got it.
Because you use too much gas on these guys, you'll kill them.
Well, shit, don't blame me the way these canisters is mixed.
Just be careful.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay.
Listen, I stuck my neck out for you here.
Man, you don't need to tell me that shit again.
I got faith in you, F, but you're unproven.
Unproven? For real? So I didn't prove myself when I jumped off the back of that yacht on the highway, huh?
Yeah, but these guys don't know you. They see some gangbanger with a happy trigger finger. They got money and their freedom on the line.
I ain't gonna fuck this up, man.
Good. I got enough shit to worry about.
So what kind of people we working with, man?
Don't worry about the crew. Worry about yourself.
Look, homie, I'ma look after my shit. It's just I'm curious.
Well, the guy coming inside with me is tough. The driver and hacker, they ain't so good. But you know how much of Madrazzo's money am I meant to give away, huh?
Shit, sounds reasonable.
And we'll find out just how reasonable in a couple hours. All right, this is it up there. There's a way through the site up to the roof.
Man, we went over this. I'm cool. Man, look the fuck out!
All right, when the gas is in the ventilation system...
I got an angle. Get it. That was it. They going out.
You love her.
Well, I love her a lot. I wasn't thinking it was...
Think about it like this. I mean, I always say that... I told him to fix that goddamn AC!
What's going on? Let's go. Let's do this! Come on!
Let's empty this sucker!
I've bought you some time. You've got just over a minute before the alarm's back online.
That's all I get for 10%? Bullshit!
50 seconds.
The cleaner's coming in!
Oh, let's clear this place out!
Better not be the display model!
40.
Hey, buddy! You keep handling the merch like that, you're gonna earn your 12%!
Fuck yeah! Come on! We going big!
30.
All right, we're running out of time. We gotta step it up if we're gonna hit the target.
20.
Yeah, baby, we got it all. Let's go, let's go.
Yo, show for the last time. Move it.
Man, get the fuck out my face. Oh. You forget 1,000 things every day, pal. Make sure this is one of them. I'll see you at the river. Go.
It's go time!
Map says this way, boys, all right?
Kareem, you the driver? Shit, where we going? I can do with some directions, Kareem.
Bro.
I can do with some damn warnings before we turn. Hey, ain't the driver meant to be telling us where to go? Headlights on now.
Keep going, okay? Yeah. Shit, man, there's a split. I don't know. If I'd known about the mud, I might have chose a different bike.
Hey, Kareem, these the wrong bikes to be using down here. Couldn't you have got us some scramblers?
I picked these for speed. No one told me about the mud. I hope I'm guessing right. Ah! The truck better be here! I hope this is the exit we're after! Word of warning. Cops are waiting for you at the LS River. We'll try to help.
Hang in there, boys. I got this covered.
Shit, man, we screwed!
Keep going. I'll get to work on the cops with these bull bars.
Hey, dude, the river's shallow. Cross over this side. Take out the cop cars if you can. Cops, they're waiting for us. Roadblocks up ahead, man. We should cut across the river. Cops, all over the place. Hey, more rollers.
Backup's here. Watch your ass.
This is intense!
Back across the other side, right? They're gonna do that thing. We'll be cool.
I think we're clear of the cops.
All right, we got a window. Let's stop at the end of the river, get the bikes in the truck. Waiting on you, kid. Lester's around the corner at the lockup.
DJ George. And yes, I do know everything.
Get
Man,
out
I thought I was gonna be
fucking
stuck
way.
to that bike.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna be stuck under a cop.
There gotta be more dudes waiting around that way. We did not just get away with that shit, did we?
You know what? I think we did.
Oh, man.
Oh yeah, we did it, baby! We did it! Yeah!
It is good to be alive.
All right, people. We need to split up. They're gonna be looking for a crew.
I'll wire your cuts when the rocks have been sold.
That shit was crazy, dog. So what now?
We get out of here. Keep our heads down.
Hey, you did good, kid. What'd I tell you, Lester, huh? Mm-hmm. All right, look, everybody take off. Hey, Franklin. Listen, Lester and I got some things we gotta clean up. I want you to stop by the house a little later on. We'll celebrate, all right?
All right.
Okay. Huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, man. We're back in action.